Hi, I'm Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters and the Elmer team. Today is sharing a few tips about packing up your home. Hi, I'm Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters and the Elmer team, and today I wanted to share some tips on packing up your home for a move. Now, frankly, that's one of the biggest tasks that you can have while making a move, and it's a lot of work. So in order to streamline the process and make it a little easier, I thought I would break down a simplified process for you. Now, many of these things can be done before you even really get started with selling your home. So before going on the market, the first thing that I'm going to tell you to do is declutter your home. You can donate, give away, or even toss things that you no longer want or need. Now, if you're going to use a pod storage or storage facility, this is a great time to start putting things into storage that you don't need immediately. And you can do this as far in advance as you'd like. So you can start going through things like holiday decor, old baby clothes, unused furniture, and if you're putting a storage, definitely a good thing to put in the back, right? And any out of season clothes that are not going to be in season when you're making your move is another great thing that you can start packing away now. Now, if there's any specialty items in your house, say like Christmas cookie cutters in the kitchen, things like that you maybe only use once or twice a year, all of those things, it's the perfect time to start packing those up now. Fragile items. Now, obviously, when you're going to make a move, generally speaking, you're not going to have fancy dinner parties. So it's the perfect time to start packing away that china, silver, crystal, and make sure you label these items as fragile so that you remember that these boxes are fragile, and if you have movers coming in, that they are going to clearly see that these are fragile items. Now you imagine you've got your house sold, you're under contract, and now it's time to start doing the real packing. Now, 3 weeks out from your move, it's a great time to start packing up any guest bedrooms that you have. Now, you're not using these rooms unless you've got company coming into town to help you pack up, so you can go ahead and start packing that up. 2 to 3 weeks out, it's a great time to start putting your books, artwork, and decor that you didn't pack away from before. So go ahead and start putting those away 2 to 3 weeks out. You're not going to really use these or need these at this point. 2 weeks out is when you start packing linens and towels away. Now, other than one set of sheets and towels for what you're going to use between now and your move, go ahead and get those packed away. Now, they can also be used as packing material. So it's a great material for that's already there. So 1 to 2 weeks out from your move, it's a great time to start tackling the toy boxes. Now, if you have kids or adults with intricate hobbies, this is the time to start doing this. Now, as a parent, pro tip here, you want to start packing the kids' toys away when they are not around, especially if you're going through and purging a lot of the materials, because that pouty face is really hard to resist and it makes it much harder to get rid of things. 1 week out, go ahead and start storing any shoes, jewelry, or clothes at this point. Set aside 2 suitcases or bins for things that you're going to need before and after the move. This can include clothing and toiletries. Also, you want to keep any irreplaceable small jewelry with you on the move and not on the moving truck. Any of those items that are high value, keep them with you. Now, 2 to 3 days out, this is when you're going to do the kitchen. And if there's items that you don't use, obviously you can pack them earlier. Any old canned food, items that are still good, but you're not going to carry with you, donate those to a food bank or a food drive. And if they're not good anymore, obviously you can trash them. Fill a box of items that you're going to need on those first few days. So this can include dishes, cups, utensils, dish soap, rags, and that coffee maker. Very important. So those are the things you want to set aside. Now, obviously, last but not least, if you're working from home, many times the very last thing to get packed up, it would be the last items of your home office so that you can continue working up until the last possible moment. If you have any questions and you want to talk to us more about how we can help you make a smooth move, give us a call. You can reach me at 562 316-2915, or you can email me at melinda@theelmerteam.com. Thanks so much for watching, and please feel free to forward and share this with your friends.